Thunderstorm watch number 81, effective until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Decatur, Johnson, Morgan, and Shelby. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The 8 to 14-day outlook for Thursday, April 7th through Wednesday, April 13th calls for temperatures to be below normal and precipitation to be near normal. Normal highs for the period are between 60 and 65 degrees, and normal lows are around 40. The normal precipitation total for the 7 days is between 0.85 and 0.90 inches. At 7 p.m. at Indianapolis, it was cloudy. The temperature was